Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. We currently see price here just moving sideways really. That leaves options open. We're holding this yellow support area currently, and this is the support area for a possible wave 2. Yeah, I did highlight that before, that we've got a setup here, which however is getting a little bit unclear, right? So we have a 5-wave move up off the December lows in a possible wave 1. We have a 3-wave move down that we could count as an ABC. That's why I've got here alternative 2. But the problem is that so far the movement to the upside is in 3 waves. That's why this is only the alternate 2. Nevertheless, as long as we're holding 4.9 cent here, we can focus on higher in a 3rd wave. Yeah. So the question for me is wave 2 already finished? Which it might be. At the moment we're holding relevant support. And if wave 2 is already in, then the yellow count is going to play out. A wave 1 to the upside, not the prettiest one, but reasonable. Wave 2 to the downside, as long as this last swing low is holding, that's fine. And now we could be working on our 3rd wave, 4, 5. So the relevant level for me here to determine if this is a so-called 1-2 setup and we're rallying higher already now in a 3rd wave, the relevant level is here. The swing low that was made on Monday at 5.7 cents. Yeah, you could even say that if this was a wave 2 low, basically the wave 2 of the larger 3rd wave, somewhere up there. Right, let me just no, this is wrong. This needs to sit here. Oh no, this is far higher. 1 second. Don't want to get confused here. So this would cascade eventually higher. Right, it's something we always have to do, move the waves along. Yeah, so something like that, right? So eventually what should happen is, obviously based on this count, we would assume the bear market is already over here. Not that this is super likely, but you know, you have to make some assumptions. So if this was a wave 1 and wave 2 support is holding at 4.9 cents, we could argue that we might be rallying in a 3rd wave, then a 4th and a 5th. That will eventually complete this larger wave 1, after which we should get a larger wave 2 breakdown, basically a correction again. And within this 3rd wave, we are subdividing in the yellow count. Yeah, and here it could be, if this Monday low is holding, that we had another 1-2 setup. Move up, yeah, possibly impulsive. Move down, corrective. And if we now rally in a yellow 3rd wave here, what would be the target that it would need to reach? Let's take a look. It would need to reach the 1.618 extension, so basically 8 cents in a 3rd wave to make that reasonable here, to follow through to the upside. But the way this is going at the moment, looks like that this might be another 1-2 setup of the 3rd, and it might then subdivide a bit higher. But I mean, the key focus needs to be on this swing low. As long as that's holding, we can focus on higher. If it doesn't, what is then important? Well, if it doesn't, then I think we have here this B wave to the upside, and it could come down in a C wave. But the problem is, if this is a short B wave, it will run out of space. You know, it will run out of space because the C wave will be too short. Now, what could happen is that this move up in a B wave is again an A wave, a B wave, and the C wave up in an impulse. So ideally, we see a strong B wave either way. And it wouldn't be important for short-term upside to keep that low in place. If it breaks below that low, it will cost the chart some reliability, because if it doesn't even do a high B wave, it's a sign of weakness, and the C wave will easily run out of space. And the problem here is, if that C wave goes below that yellow box at 4.9 cents, the entire overlying 1-2 setup is going to be challenged seriously. Yeah, so it should bulls really need to make sure here to hold 4.9 cents. Better would be this Monday's low. All right, that's my update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.